Hello everyone, I'm Chetan from Conceive IVF, and today we are going to talk about the excessive usage of the laptop and whether it is good or bad, especially for the fertility health. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं that laptop has become very essential part of our work life, and also this has been emphasized by COVID. COVID already has a harmful effect on our family, on our health, but it also has its long-term effect. During this COVID, working from home has become a new normal. And what has been the biggest enabler for working from home was our digital media, the computers and the internet. And working from home has become a daily routine for all of us. But the biggest enabler in this case was laptop. As the name suggests, this laptop is a computer that we use by keeping it on the lap. We use it for education, we use it for learning, we use it for our day-to-day work at office, and we also use it for personal media. What's the issue then? The issue happens for both men as well as women. But predominantly here we are talking about the men. Now millions of men during this lockdown has been using laptops and it affects their reproductive health. Those men who are in their reproductive age are frequently using their laptops by keeping these laptops on their lap. So what's the issue? The scientists, they have indicated that using these laptops on the lap, it adversely affects the male reproductive health. In a way, it affects your chances of having baby in the future. Now how does it happen? How the laptop is connected to the male fertility health? Laptop basically produces heat, and since we keep these laptops very close to your lap, it increases the temperature around your scrotum. Evidences indicates that high scrotal temperature, it is linked to male infertility, and that's where the problem happens. Now again, going back to why, where does this laptop affects the male infertility? Basically, laptop produces electromagnetic radiations, and it is not just the laptop, but it's the Wi-Fi which produces radio frequency waves, and these both electromagnetic radiations and the radio frequency waves, those are hazardous for the quality of the sperms, and that's where the problem happens. Now what is the extent of this problem? It's not just the laptop or desktop, but we are surrounded by several other electronic equipments such as cell phones, wireless equipments, TV, microwave oven. All of this produces electromagnetic radiation and the radio frequency wave, which affects your pituitary glands, the anterior pituitary glands, which produces Leydig cells and sartorial cells. Both of them produces testosterone, and both of them produces, it affects your sperm quality, which is most important in having baby. Also it affects the quantity of the sperms, and not just that, the health of the sperms in terms of its motility, in terms of its morphology, and in terms of the antioxidants that are present in the sperms, and that's where the damage is done. Now can we control this damage? Yes, by doing slight changes, ergonomical changes. So by correcting the postures, the way we sit, using the laptop, the tab and the mobile properly. While using all of these three, please do not keep your neck down, keep your neck erect, that way you will take care of your long-term health. But especially talking about laptop, do not use laptop by keeping them on your lap. Please keep these laptops on the desk. Use it as a desk laptop. That will ensure good health for you. And last but not the least, when you use mobile, please use this mobile by keeping it at shoulder level, or best is at the eye level. Now coming back to the topic, whether excessive use of the laptop is good or bad for the health, I would say excessive use of the laptop is definitely bad for the health and definitely bad for the fertility health, especially for the male, and it affects your chances of having a baby. Now, can we avoid it? Yes. Do we have an option? Yes. Excessive use of the laptop, maybe for some people you can avoid it, some people may not. But what you can do is you can use this laptop with precaution, and that is good for all of us. Now, how? You use this laptop by keeping it on the desk and not on your lap. This way you will ensure that laptop is definitely good for making family if you are planning a family, definitely good for your own health, and since it increases the productivity at work, it is definitely good for making wealth for you. All in all, using laptop with precaution by keeping it on the desk and not on the lap, it is good for everyone, male and female. So take care of your family, best wishes to all of you, and if you are affected already by using this laptop and has infertility issues, please do contact your fertility specialist. I wish you all best wishes. Thank you so much.